see my nails are pink, which I recently just did them. Did them today. And hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed. Comment down below more video ideas you guys think I should do. Share this video with friends, family, whoever you guys communicate with. And stay tuned to this video.
So right now I'm about to show you guys my nail table of where I do the nails at. So I'm gonna take a seat and I'm gonna probably go over things that what I use it for if you guys don't understand. So yeah. I'm gonna set the camera. First I'm gonna show you guys where everything is. So right there is where you see nail polish. Now this is not all my nail polish. This is just something I just recently bought. You see I got white, yellow, pink, a nude color. So I just showed you guys a few nail polishes, right? And those nail polishes was only $1. Y'all probably like, where she get $1 nail polish from? Yes, they're regular nail polishes, but the Kiss ones, say Gel Strong, they were $1 too. Where I got these from, I just gave y'all a hint, $1. So when you get items at $4, you get these items from Dollar Tree. Y'all probably like, what? $1 for nail polish? Yes, right, $1. So right now, I'm gonna get to you guys about my nail table tour. On another video, I'll talk to you guys about getting your nail polish, which I just told you Dollar Tree has them for $1, and yes, I'll be going back to get more. The reason why they're on my table because I don't have enough room over there on my nail rack, which I'll be in another video of my whole nail room tour, which I'm still trying to set it up. And yeah, but this color right here is what I use on my nails. This hottish pink color, yes, I use it on my nails, hot pink. So yeah, let's get right into this video about this nail table. So here you guys go, what's all on my nail table. Just showing you guys right now what's all on my nail table right now. So yes, this is my nail drill. This is the drill. You got the reverse to put this thing in, and when you got it in there, set it. My UV lamp for my nails. And yes, it does work very well. Right here is acetone. Get it from the dollar store, you see, DG. And it works very well for me. These are my alcohol wipes. I really don't use them anymore, but I normally use them for me and my clients, at least I have to. Right here is my UV lamp, which has, oops, my hair in the way, which has 60, 30 seconds, 10 seconds, and it's 72 watts. Right here are my little nail fingernails I did on my trainer hand. I showed these to y'all in my last video, which y'all can go watch after this video. This is the fan, which I use to dry my clients' nails and my nails. This is my liquid monomer. Need Secret liquid monomer. I use what? Right here is the little duster for when you get done filing the nail tips. You just brush the dust, and it's really pretty. Here is where you put your acrylic brushes at and put your brush cleaner inside for the acrylic, for the brush to be clean. Now all of this right here, like this right here is the dehydrator I use for the nails, natural nails, nail prep, as you've seen. Right here is the primer. As you know, I'm with Miss Secret. I use Miss Secret. This is the same thing, just a different brand. Here is like for my rhinestones, which right here, I'll get to that soon. This is for when you put this glue, put the glue first, then put the rhinestones, and then spray this. And yes, they work very well. Like you see, I had my nails on for like probably 4 days or 3 days now, and they still on. This is the brush cleaner, nail brush cleaner. Paper towels, which you will need. This your little yellow thing is for your thumb. You like put your hand in there, and then while you filing, so that you won't foul your skin. Right here is my acrylic powder. Right now I'm using the pink acrylic powder. See that over there. Here is like nail polish remover for regular polish, not gel. All this is like my gel. This is my gel top coat. Glass finish UV LED gel, as you see. This one right here is just a base coat. Right here is a matte finish top coat. This one is a regular polish top coat, which I use on clients. These two, well, these three, the same thing. Right here is my cuticle oil. After I'm done without the nails, completely finished, put the cuticle oils around the cuticle. Smells really good. And please excuse the scratching of my video. I don't know what's going on right now, but all this right here is like buffer for the nails, acrylic brushes, cuticle pusher, scissors for when I cut the nails, nail file for when I'm filing the artificial nails. And y'all, I get this from my local beauty supply store, Beauty Secrets. And it's a great file. It's a good file. Nail clipper. Nail file again. Beauty Secrets. This one right here is the same thing. Right here is a wax pencil where I pick the rhinestones up to place them on the nails, like you see once again. Right here, I forgot what it's called, but I use this to take my rhinestones off when I want to take the nails off the client's hand or either my hand, either one. A nail file again, and a little cleanup. I use it as a cleanup brush around the cuticle area. This little container is where I keep the sanding beds. Well, yeah, these are the drills and stuff to file around to like drill the acrylic down so your nails won't lift. That's what these are for. All that in this little black one. Can't really pick it up. This little black one is where the sanding bed goes on. You just file on your natural nails so that the nail tips will stick to the glue. Stick the nail tips on. And then this second drawer is where the sanding bands are at. Sanding beds. Right beside the container is where I have my nail glue for the nail tips. The KDS glue. No. KDS Professional Nail Products. This is some great glue, y'all. If you're doing nails, get this glue right here, KDS. Over here, you see my nail tips in my little nail tip box, 0 through 10. It's a very nice size box. Nail tips works wonders. Right here is the rhinestones. Y'all see they're very pretty, very pretty. Rhinestones, not the rhinestones. Very pretty rhinestones. There's some more rhinestones, the silver ones. I haven't used these yet, but they really don't impress me. But I'll just, I might use them though. Right here, I have not even used these yet either. Not at all. I gotta start using these. I always use these, is what I use on my hand. I gotta order some more as well though. These the ones that I like. And right here is some more different colors. I will be using these on my clients. And yeah, I just organized my stuff. And y'all see the big nail box, right? It got damaged on the top. I'm gonna have to buy another one. But it's a lot of different rhinestones in here too. I don't even touch this box anymore. I don't touch it, but I'm gonna have to start using these again. I had them neat in here, but they got messed up because I think I didn't drop it, but they just got messed up for some reason. Somehow they got messed up. Inside are the little things, deets. I think these tweezers. I don't know. But this right here was a waxed thing. Well, I don't know what it's called, but it picks up the rhinestones. And it didn't work very good. They like, when I pick them up, they don't hold like very good. They like fall off. So that's why I had to go with this wax pencil here, and that works very good. This got aggravating to me because I wasn't finna sit there and just pick. No, the wax pencil is much faster. So invest in a wax pencil. Get you a wax pencil, ladies. So yes, I did go over everything on this table that's on my nail table. So here's the nail tour. Everything on this table. Here you guys go. Everything. It's got these two on this end. This is every single thing, nice and neat, straighten up on my nail table. So it's very important to have your things neat so that you won't be doing all that rambling when a customer gets there. You got everything nice and neat where you can grab and where you know where it's at. So I did go over the nail table tour with you guys, and I hope you really enjoyed it. I'm glad I went ahead and did this video because my phone is dying, and I'm glad I just went ahead and showed you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope whoever else is trying to do a nail business, I hope you succeed. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment more video ideas down below that you guys think I should do. Share this video. And I hope you guys have a great day, and stay tuned for more of my videos coming. I'm gonna give y'all a nail room tour. I have not yet did that, so I'm gonna do that for y'all. I will have multiple videos coming, so make sure you hit that notification bell when you hit the subscribe button. I want you guys to help me get to 5K subscribers so I can do my first giveaway. I'm gonna be really excited to even do a giveaway. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And y'all, don't y'all see this is my first time talking on my channel? It's just amazing. I hope you guys have a blessed day. So stay cool and stay strong.